Hello, my dear children. Very good afternoon to you all. Welcome to our online class. So, my dear good children, this is our moral online class. Moral online class. Once again, I welcome you all. Okay, my dear children? How are you all doing? Hope you all are fine and safe. Yes? Yes. Do you miss our moral online class last week, my dear children? Yes, right? Okay. Shall we start our lesson today? Before start our lesson, tell me, have you all finished your lunch? Yes? What's special, my dear? Wow, very good. Okay. Or you feel boring or sleepy? You all are happy, right? Then shall we start? Yes? Okay, let's start our lesson, my dear children. All of you listen carefully, okay? Today we gonna learn one interesting topic, okay? Let's start our lesson. Dear kids, can you tell me how many lessons we completed till now? Yes, we completed 6 lessons, right? So today we gonna learn our 7th lesson. Lesson number 7. Okay? Yes. My dear good children, before start our lesson, let me ask some questions, okay? Okay, already we learned about family, right? Define family, my dear children. Yes, a group of one or more parents and their children living together as a unit is a family, right? Yes, very good. Now I'm gonna ask few questions from this, okay? To check your memory power, okay, my dear children? Okay, now tell me, what are the types of family we learned? Yes, nuclear family and joint family, yes? Right, my dear children, nuclear family is also known as small family, joint family is also known as big family. Okay, first of all, nuclear family. Define nuclear family. A family group that consists only of parents and children. Yes, very good, my dear children. Only parents and children. Right? Consists of only parents and children is a nuclear family. Okay, now tell me, my dear children, who is the elder one in nuclear family? Yes, father and mother. They are the elder one in nuclear family, right? Okay, now tell me. Tell me, my dear children, what's the second type of family? Yes, joint family. Define joint family, my dear children. A family group consists of grandparents, father, mother and children live together unitarily under one roof, right? Yes. Now tell me, my dear children, who is the elder one in joint family? Yes. Very good. Grandparents, right? Grandparents mean grandfather and mother. Grandfather and grandmother is the elder one in joint family. Yes, my dear children? Yes. Very good, my dear children. Dear kids, you all know about family and its importance, right? So each and everyone's family have elder peoples, right, my dear children? Tell me, are you respecting them? Yes, you all are good kids, so you all are respecting them. Yes, my dear children? Yes. We should respect our elders. Elders means not only grandparents and father and mother. We should respect our neighbors, our family members who all are elder one. We should show our kindness and respect to them. Okay, my dear children? In your lesson today we gonna learn about how we can show our respect and kindness to them. Okay, my dear children? Why we should respect our elders? Because the elderly people have all the valuable experience and wisdom with them. We must use it to make our life better. So, we should respect our elder people. We should respect our elders and we should show compassion to them. Okay, my dear children, are you ready to learn this lesson? Yes? Okay, very good, my dear children. So, my dear children, the title for our today's lesson is Love You Grandpa. What's the title? Yes, Love You Grandpa. Dear kids, now tell me, who is the elder one in our family? Yes, our grandparents is the most elder one in our family. So we must respect them and love them for their invaluable light of love and wisdom in our life. Okay, my dear children? Yes. Okay, do you know which day is celebrated as Grandparents' Day? Every year, first Sunday after Labor Day is celebrated as Grandparents' Day. Okay, my dear children? Okay, now tell me, which day is celebrated as Labor Day? Yes, every year, May 1st, May 1 is celebrated as Labor Day. Okay? First Sunday after this Labor Day is celebrated as Grandparents' Day. Okay, my dear children? Don't forget to wish your grandparents on this day. Okay, my dear? Yes. Okay. In your lesson, one small story is given. In that, two small kids are coming. They show their love to their grandparents. That means they shown their love to their grandfather. Okay, let's see what happened there. Okay, my dear children. Yes, are you ready to learn this story? Yes. Okay, come on, let's learn. Ketki and Arun. Both are sad. This girl name is Ketki and this boy name is Arun. Ketki and Arun are sad. Why they are sad? Okay, listen carefully, my dear children. Because their grandpa is not as active as he used to be. He has had an eye operation. Since then, he hardly goes out. Because of this reason, Ketki and Arun are sad because their grandpa is not well. Okay, my dear children. He was not active. So, these both kids are very sad. Now, they are doing something to make their grandpa active. Okay, what they are doing? Let's see, my dear children. Listen carefully, okay? Now, Ketki and Arun discussing about Grandpa's condition. Arun said, Grandpa has become very quiet. I miss his stories. Ketki told he has stopped gardening. He does not go for morning walk with his friends. Yes, my dear children. Now tell me, do you like your grandpa? Do you hear any story from them? Did you hear any story from your grandparents, my dear children? Yes, did you like the stories? Yes, right? Do you play with them? Yes, same like you, these small kids also likes to play with their grandpa. So now their grandpa is not well. He was not active. So they are missing his stories. They are missing something from their grandpa. They are discussing about that. Okay, my dear children? Do you understand? Yes? Now, Arun told he is not able to read the newspaper. Ketki replied, I think he misses that. Should we read out the paper to him? Yes, Arun talking about grandpa that he can't able to read the newspaper. So Ketki asked, should we read out the paper to him? Yes, my dear children, if our elders are not well because of this grandpa's illness, he can't able to read the newspaper. He can't wake up from his bed, right? So the small kids are helping him. Same like this, we should respect our elders and we should show our kindness to them. We should help them, okay, my dear children? Okay. Now Arun asked Keki, shall we get jamun for grandpa? He loves them. Keki replied, yes, that is a good idea. It will make him very happy. Yes, my dear children, first of all, Keki and Arun helped their grandpa by reading the newspaper. Helped him to read newspaper, right? Yes. Now again they are planning to help him to make him happy, right? By getting jamun for grandpa because grandpa loves jamun. So my dear children, from this you all know how we can make our grandparents happy, right? By doing small things we can make our grandparents happy. Okay, my dear children, if your grandparents are not well, they are feeling very sad, if they are not active, you can play with them. You can feed them, okay? Because your grandparents also like a small kid, okay, my dear children. So we should take care of them, okay? We should show our compassion to them, okay, my dear children. Yes. Same like this Arun and Keki, you should respect them and show your kindness to them and you should help them. Okay, my dear children? Yes? Okay, very good. Dear children, because of Keki and Arun's caring and their helping nature, make their grandpa got well soon. Now their grandpa talked with their grandchildren. Come my children, I am feeling better now. Let us go and buy some jamun. Yes. Now their grandpa get well. He feel better now. So he is going to buy some jamun. Again their grandpa told, I want to thank you both. It's a long time since I went out. After long days, their grandpa is going out to get jamun. So he is saying his thanks to their grandchildren. Then Keki replied, we love you, grandpa. Now tell me, what's the title for our lesson? Yes, love you, grandpa. Yes, my dear children, this is the way we can show our kindness. We can show our helping nature to our grandparents, not only grandparents, our elder ones. Okay, my dear children, if we show our kindness and helping nature to them, they will feel better. They will become very happy. Okay, my dear children, whatever the situation may be, if you can help them, you should help. Okay, my dear children, not only you should help, you should respect them. Okay, my dear children, don't forget to respect them. You should respect them and show your helping nature to them. Okay, my dear children? Yes? Okay, very good. Hope you all understood the story. Yes? You all enjoyed the story. Yes, my dear children? Yes. So, the moral value for our today's lesson, love you grandpa, is, the moral value for our today's lesson is respect for elderly, compassion. Respect for elderly, compassion. How we can show our respect for our elders? One of the best ways of showing respect to our elders or others is listening. Listening to others person's point of view is an excellent way of respect. Okay, my dear children? You can spend your time with them. Okay? How we can show our respect to our elders? That means we can spend our time with our grandparents. Be polite, okay? When you are talking something, politely you used to talk, okay? You used to talk with polite and ask for advice them, okay? Eat together with your grandparents, parents, uncle, auntie together, okay? Tell them how much you appreciate and respect them, okay? Okay, my dear children, oftenly you used to appreciate them and tell them how much you are loving them. Okay. Then the second one is compassion. Okay, already we learned about compassion, you know. Do you remember? Yes? What's the meaning for compassion? Yes, expression of love for those who are suffering. That means we should lend our hands to help others. Those who are suffering, we should lend our hands to help them. Okay, this is the moral value we learned today. Hereafter, my dear students, you all are gonna follow this in your life. Yes? Hope you should follow this. Yes, my dear children? Yes, very good. Okay, my dear children. Thank you for listening this class, my dear children. Hope you all enjoyed it. Yes? Okay. We will meet in our next class. See you. Bye-bye. Have a good day, my dear children.